Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's and Little Mouse's 3-ingredient bread rolls made in the Sunbeam Pie Magic 4 Pie Maker. I'm only declaring 3 ingredients because the butter is actually used for greasing. It's not to release from the pie maker and make sure it doesn't stick. It doesn't actually go into the recipe. The first thing that we're going to do with our pie maker switched off and our butter melted, we are going to paint the inside of our pie maker with the melted butter. Okay, paint the inside of the pie maker, okay, just gently. All right, now we have our self-raising flour, just a cup of that. We have half a cup of milk and we have 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. To our self-raising flour, we add our milk.
Can I do the mixing?
All at once, you're painting. Make sure you paint the top as well. All right, in with our mayonnaise as well, which is going to provide the fat, and it's actually egg mayonnaise. And then we just mix it till it's well combined. Turn our pie maker on and cook them until they're nice and brown and golden and risen.
Now?
You can mix it.
Yeah.
Don't do it sloppy. Just try and keep it neat. Hold your spoon down low like this, like Nanny shows you, like that, and you'll have more control. Okay.
Is that better?
That's better. Just mix it all up. Try not to. We want to get rid of all the lumps, and we don't want any of the flour to get out of the bowl.
Well, that's stiff.
Stiff? You're doing good.
Guys, this is really stiff. Well, I'll tell you. Got a lot of powder.
It's flour.
Flour.
Do you want Nanny to have a little go now?
Now, my nanny's got to have a little go.
I think we're pretty good here. Well mixed. We've got to divide that into 4. Okay.
So
here
we
you
have
go.
to
You can do this. Do that with that. Put it in 4.
Yeah, it would be easy if I had that.
I'll scrape it off. You hold it up and I'll scrape it off.
This is not going to be easy. I should.
No, you'll be right. You'll be right. Next one. Actually, it's going to make more than 4. Do you think they look pretty even?
No. Which is really sticky, but I hope it wouldn't be.
We need a bit more in that one, don't we? You think that looks pretty even? Okay. What about in this one here? A little bit more in there. I think we're going to make 6 with this.
I have no idea.
Okay. All right. Now, tiny bit more in this one over there. Oh, don't scrape it on the side because it'll scratch the surface and it's non-stick. Okay. Now pop that there. Close the lid gently, and we turn it on, and we cook it.
Cook it?
Yeah. For about 7 or 8 minutes and check it. Okay, after 8 minutes, this is what you should have. They're really soft and light, browned pretty well all over, except this one here that didn't quite make it into the hole. And we're just going to turn them over because I think they're still a little bit soft in the center. And just pop the lid back down. Don't clip it down though, for another 2 minutes. Okay, after another 2 minutes, this is what you should have. Our little dinner buns are well and truly cooked now. They sound hollow, they're really nice and light and well risen, and we're going to be serving them with a nice bowl of hot soup. So I'm just going to, too hot for Little Mouse to help with at the moment. We actually need 3 of these. 7 little bread rolls out of a couple of blobs of mayonnaise and a little bit of milk. Now you have to agree that that is a fairly easy recipe to make, considering a 5-year-old just did it. Close the lid. Okay, we're just going to break one of these open and show you what it looks like inside. Cut it open actually. See how soft and light it is? A little bit of butter on there, and we'll see what it tastes like. It's really soft. Great project for the kids to do, and you could probably make this in a camp oven. It's really good. It's not a bread texture because it doesn't have any yeast in it, but it's nice and soft, really nice and soft, crusty on the outside, well cooked all the way through, and the mayonnaise has given it quite a nice flavour. Thanks for watching. Cheekyricho Cooking's dinner buns cooked with 3 ingredients in the pie maker. It's a yeast-free recipe.